Kalau cangkang itu datang, biasanya kita di screening dulu. Nah, screening, nah, sudah tuh cangkang tuh kita masuk ke dalam truk, dia pakai alat, ada masuk ke mobil, kemudian baru dibawa ke tumpukan yang sudah disterilkan. Setelah itu, nah, kita baru muat dari alat ini. Jadi alat ini kita cek semuanya, kondisinya, baut-bautnya apa semuanya kita cek, kondisi oli apa, kayak ada berceceran lah di cangkangnya.
When it comes to the changkang here, it's brought from 6 plants that they have here. As you can see, there are different kinds of changkang, but there are 2 different kinds of changkang, or what they call palm kernel shell here. It's a local name. It's going to be Tenera and Dura. What we're looking here is probably mostly Dura, due to the fact that this particular stockpile comes from Sumatra in this area of Jambi. Now, as you can see, it's brought here due to the process of the palm oil production, which is to our left and right. And then, as you can see, some of the areas have already been classified for export to Japan. Others will still have to be screened, right, for our shop in Europe. Okay. We're going to move now to the next location where we'll show you some of the screening and covered areas and the process from there.
Per 12 jam untuk screening.
Ya,
ada magnetnya, ada itu yang bulat itu bundaran tuh magnet itu yang di atas itu. 800 ton per 12 jam.
Per 12 jam, okay. 800. So use a magnet separator, and also 800 tons per 12 hours. Using also magnetic separator, so take out any other materials. Basically, through the screening process, eliminates all any kind of other materials, so we can keep our clean content to below 1%. Once already screened and clean, the material is brought to various different stockpiles, depending on the market and the situation. In some cases, Changkang Salwood isn't screened because there are a few markets like Thailand that accept unscreened, but most of the material here is screened material, goes to Japan and also to Europe. Material inside here is special case, mainly to keep the temperature regulated. There are specialized customers who pay a premium for lower temperature PKS or Changkang.
Kalau untuk pemuatan kan, dari tempat tadi kita muat ke mobil, penimbangan baru ke itu tongkang. Tuh, tongkangnya.
So we'll go now to the area for loading for transshipment. So this location is self-equipped with plenty of excavators for handling the material, and also already equipped with sufficient grabs in case the performing vessel that arrives does not have. So this fully functional, fully ready operation for loading large vessels and for processing the material. So all the loading is done to barges up to size 300 to 330 feet. Can load 6,000 metric tons per day, weather permitting. It is loaded manually here at this location. So one to 2 barges can be loaded at one time. As you can see from the barge, the material is covered in transit to the vessel, so keep the moisture content at a low level. The material is protected in transshipment in case of rain or any other issues we come across. From this point here, the barges take around 18 hours to sail from this point to the mother vessel. As you saw, there's plenty of equipment here in case the vessel doesn't have enough material. Normally the vessel brings its own grabs, so from the barges, all the barges are prepared before the vessel's ETA arrival at anchorage. Once the vessel arrives, the barges are ready for immediate loading after clearance and customs clearance, so that we avoid having any demurrage or any delays to the loading process. So normally in the loading process, We load at approximately between 7,000 tons per day. So a vessel, a medium size, a 50,000 ton vessel, we can load in approximately 7 days, weather permitting.